Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? Today, we'll take a deep dive into Intel, providing you with a more detailed analysis than ever before. If you want to stay updated on our latest analysis, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. It's crucial not to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. To enhance your trading decisions, we've recently launched the AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. With this tool, you can tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Don't miss out on this incredible resource. Lastly, please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 3, 2023, our system has identified Intel as a strong investment opportunity, with a score of 1.87. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 0.24%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.03% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the middle of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, indicating the possibility of further increase. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 6.64% change expected in the next 3 months. The projected return falls between -7.97% and 13.24%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 34.03% change expected in the next year. The potential return ranges from 13.15% to 42.61%. This translates to a price range of $43.26 to $54.52 after a year. Our latest update for Intel brings some important news. The Intel stock has been downgraded from a strong buy candidate to a buy candidate after the Monday trading session. On the last day, which was Monday, the 13th of November 2023, the Intel stock price experienced a decrease of 1.62%, going from $38.86 to $38.23. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 1.1%, starting from a low of $38.14 and reaching a high of $38.56. It's worth noting that the stock price has shown a positive trend in 6 out of the last 10 days, and it has increased by 7.12% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price on the last day, which is actually seen as a positive sign, as volume tends to follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 13 million shares, with a total of 22 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $844.84 million. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we find that the highest recorded price was $40.07, while the lowest recorded price was $24.73. At the moment, the stock price is 4.59% or $1.84 below the 52-week high, and it is 44.83% or $31.06 below the all-time high, which was reached on January 24, 2020. On that date, the stock price reached an impressive $69.29. Analyst ratings. On Friday, October 27, 2023, Bank of America Securities gave Intel an underperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, HSBC rated Intel as hold with an upgrade action. Moving on to Thursday, October 26, 2023, UBS gave Intel a neutral grade with a hold action. Also on October 26, BMO Capital rated Intel as market perform with a hold action. Lastly, on October 26, Needham gave Intel a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Intel stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the signals for Intel stock. Currently, the short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal. This means that the stock is showing a positive forecast overall, as the short-term average is currently higher than the long-term average. However, it's important to note that the stock may face resistance at around $38.24 if it continues to rise. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support at approximately $36.10 based on the long-term average. Remember, a break above the short-term average will indicate a buy signal, while a break below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, there have also been some negative signals that could impact the stock's near short-term development. For example, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, November 10, 2023, resulting in a 1.62% decline so far. It's likely that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot has been established. It's worth noting that the volume of trading has decreased alongside the price, which reduces the overall risk. Typically, volume should follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 8 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average suggests a buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a buy signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 158 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Intel. Intel has found support from accumulated volume at $37.88. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as there may be an upwards reaction when the support is tested. It's important to keep an eye on this level. When it comes to the stock's movements during the day, it tends to have average volatility. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Yesterday, the stock had a price range of $0.420, which is equivalent to a 1.1% change between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.09%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Intel, let's start by understanding some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Established companies may face temporary downturns due to external factors, but consistently negative PE ratios could indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.420. It's important to closely monitor these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Intel. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $38.59. If you're not already invested, it might be a good idea to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. For those who already own shares, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $37.88. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. The average rating for Intel, according to multiple analyst sources, is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On October 31, 2023, Zinsner David bought 6,502 shares of common stock. On the same day, Zinsner David sold 3,224 shares of common stock. Furthermore, Zinsner David sold 6,502 shares of restricted stock units. Another insider, Gelsinger Patrick P., bought 6,779 shares of common stock. However, Gelsinger Patrick P. also sold 3,362 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative at -31.249. In total, insiders purchased 40,002,475 shares and sold 77,273,765 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $36.59, which represents a decrease of 4.3%. This particular stock experiences moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed just 1 day ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, Intel stock shows several positive short-term signals and a generally good trend. This indicates that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. However, it's important to note that there are some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, leading us to adjust our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and recent movements, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, November 14th, we anticipate Intel stock to open up at $0.0800 and commence trading at $38.31. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know what target you have in mind for this stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day ahead. Thanks for tuning in.